Hey, you probably think there is no easiest way to make money online. But here's some proof. These people make their first dollars online without any experience before they get into this online space. So the question is, do you believe you can do it? Because I'm going to show you the top 3 ways step by step to make your first easy dollar. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first notified when I upload my new video weekly about ways to make money online, because you don't want to miss that. If you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is King and I help guide people gain their freedom that they deserve online. If you are watching this video right now, you probably try to find a way to make money online and haven't found anything that's simple enough that fit your limited schedule that you have yet. If this is true, comment yes or no below. I have been trying to find truly passive income ideas for a while until I found the top 3. The number 1 is my favorite, so watch till the end. Number 3, sell blank journal on Amazon. So we are going to create the journal, the blank journal online, so you can post it on platform, totally free for you. And let's dive in. So first of all, you're gonna go to 𝗟𝗵𝗿𝗲𝗏 where we're gonna design our blank journal. So after you load or sign up for Canva, it's free, or you can upgrade to a pro account. The link gonna be in the description if you cannot find by yourself, but it's easy enough, 𝗟𝗵𝗿𝗲𝗏. So basically you just type in journal and just pick any design you want. There's a lot of template here that you can use, right? So I'm gonna pick the easiest one. Make sure you resize your cover. This is gonna be your cover for your journal. So you're going to resize 2 inch, right? So it's gonna be 6 times 9 inch, and then you resize it, and then it's easy enough. You can just hit download, right? Basically just do PDF print and download. This is only for the cover, right? So now you're gonna design your inside. So go for the blank one. There's nothing to it. It's gonna load. You're gonna resize it and also duplicate all those pages to at least 24 pages as a Amazon requirement. Now we're gonna go to, so basically go to 𝗟𝗵𝗿𝗏𝗏amazon.com and then apply for it. I already applied for it. It's a simple step. You can just go into it. So we're gonna do paperback. So after you pick the paperback, then you just pick English, and then basically just your title of your journal. You can put anything in it. We don't have any series in it, so don't worry about it. Author, you can just put your name, or you can just have pen name. It's up to you. Contributors, we don't have anyone to do this, so skip that, and you can put your description here. And the description, just put the great description in here. I'm just doing short because just for the video purposes, but this is for you. So you just, you have to do some research, what a good description out there, a top best selling up there, and don't copy it. It just get some inspiration and get some idea, and then put in your description for your journal. And then for this publishing rights, and you don't have copyright, we're gonna pick this public domain work. So make sure that all your keyword is related to your book. a journal. If you can create a blank book, notebook, whatever, to make sure that it's relatable to your journal. And then to pick category, since you're doing journal, pick the literary correction and then pick diaries and journal, and then hit save, and it's going to be saving for you. Then we're going to leave the last print unchecked because it's going to let it as default. We don't have anything inside of this content, so there's no adult content. Just click no, save and continue. And we don't have any ISBN assigned, so to get free ISBN assigned by Amazon, we're going to pick the date. Going to be your today date. And because this is blank, I'm only going to pick black and white. Make sure to pick color if your journal, inside your journal have color, or inside your book have colors. And then, as I mentioned before, when we design on Canva, there was 6 by 9 inch. So, but like I said, if you can size to different thing, you can just select different size for your book. No bleed, I will pick matte. You already know, glossy is more like shiny, but we're gonna leave everything as default. And then upload paperback manuscript. This is what inside your journal, right? So gonna be the PDF one that I downloaded earlier. You're gonna pick the cover that you design, right? Or you can let them shoot it for you, which is cover created by Amazon. There's a lot of stock out there. If you don't like your cover, you can just use this here. Since I already have mine, so I'm gonna use mine. Launch your preview. So you want to do a look at your preview your book first before you save and continue, because you want to make sure everything, if you have some writing in your journal, you want to make sure everything lined up correctly before you save and continue. It's gonna take a few minutes to preview because it's get a lot of pages. So now since it's loaded, I'm going to look at everything. Everything look good. If you have something written here, make sure that everything look good before you approve. So I'm gonna see here, and remember your price, your printing cost, which since it's gonna be printed by Amazon, you're going to remember the cost of printing before you assign the price of your book. So save and continue. So you're gonna leave everything like this. And then remember the price. You have the minimum of $3.58, the maximum is $2.50. So since I'm selling on Amazon.com and I look at the page, when you do research of the book you do, make sure to look at the price. So if it's gonna be competitive price, so I'm gonna sell mine at $9.99. So you see here that your royalty free will be $3.84. It's not that much, but if it's passive, right? You do the work once and then you just gain royalty fee forever, for life. If you have more books to publish, the more power to you. So since I still have to finish my account, when you're done, you just publish your paperback book, and that's it. If you think this is simple enough for you to implement it, don't forget to smash that like button. And let's dive in to the second way, print on demand. You're gonna love this one. Let's dive in. We going to use the same tool, Canva. This is why I told you guys to get it. Even though to get the free account is powerful tool that any business, anyone should use. So basically go to canva.com again, and then we are going to do t-shirt. Go ahead and type t-shirt in there, and I just spelled t-shirt. That's, yeah. Yep, I can't spell. So let's say I pick this one, and you can just do any design you want. For these video purposes, I'm just gonna do it quick, not gonna give too much to it. So real life, give you layman, I'm gonna change that color. So that's it, right? However, you need to resize this to make sure you're in pixel. This one is 4500 times 5400, because this is gonna make it work for Amazon merge. And then you basically resize and then download it. I usually download with transparent background because, you know, easier to like when you put that logo or that design on any color of shirt. So click on that and then download after you're done. So it's two ways you can apply for merge by Amazon. It's gonna take about 14 days for them to approve, or you can just go direct to Redbubble, which you can get approved right away and you can upload your design right away. So let's log in, sign up and log in. Since I already signed up, so I'm just gonna log in and upload my design. This is very simple way that I don't want you to miss. And if you create more design, the more power to you as well. So after you sign in, and sign up and sign in, basically you just click on your logo and then you should just add new work. Then basically just upload your new work here. Just click on this thing here and they're gonna pop up, and to pick the one that you just made the design. And then same here, you have to do a little bit research on Google, see what is the best before you make a design, because that's where the money is, right? You're not just gonna make a random design. You could if you're a designer and your design is amazing, but just like me, I'm not a designer. I'm just basically create passive income, right? So I just say lemon tag, you can put whatever you want, and then description. And then obviously you see here that the design is just basically placed for you for all this material. You can just go in for each and one. Everything looks good, then just leave it like that. You see the hat here is new thing. You want to go edit it, right? So you want to make it smaller so it fit on the hat, right? So you can see here. So when it looks good, you just hit apply change. You just do this for anything that, you know, if you don't think it look good on a certain thing, you just hit disable, right? Just hit disable if it doesn't look good. The phone case or skins, so you can just make it smaller so it fit better. You can see here it's still not fit better. Easy enough, right? This is what I'm so exciting for you guys. That is so easy. So basically you pick digital art, and then you pick design and illustration, and you pick no, and just basically save your work, and that's it. And that's it. That's really easy, really easy. And now the only thing you have to do is basically marketing it, so to help you bump you with the sale. Publish should take about 15 minutes to appear, and you're good to go. It's easy. It's very easy, and it's really passive income because you just create your work one and just upload it and bam. But the thing is that you still have to like marketing it, right? So that's to create more sale. So, and the next one is what we are waiting for, my number one, my favorite passive income. I'm going to tell you why it's my favorite. Because it's made me the most money in a short period of time. If you set up correctly and optimize all the resources that you have. Not only the skill that you learn from this side hustle or gig, you'll be able to optimize the two ways that I mentioned earlier. Because this way or this idea, it's basically promoted someone else's services or product. Promote something that you already use, or I call it sometimes is referral idea. Basically, you just do a referral to people, to friends, and to people that you met. Your part of it is just basically marketing that product or services by referring to other people to use, to buy. That's it. And this concept is called affiliate marketing. You probably heard of it before, but you probably think, I don't think it's easy. I can tell you right now, it's very simple and very profitable. I'm going to show you how easy it is. I'm going to use Amazon as an example, how you can make money with Amazon affiliate program. Basically, you go to Amazon.com and you scroll down to at the bottom and become an affiliate. And basically, you apply for it. It's easy. You can see here, you sign up. I'm gonna ask you for the information. Since I already signed up, I'm gonna log in, come at home, and then you just hit product links. Let's say do book. You can do anything. You can say whatever you want, right? So you do book, you pick a book. You know, make it easier now. And basically you come in here. There's so many ways. You can get the picture here, you get the text only, or you can just get image only. It's easy. If you're gonna post on your social media to do promotion, or you can just put it on your website text only, and I'm gonna use the short link. Especially if you're only gonna promote it on your social media, get a short link probably be the easiest one because it's short. You just basically copy this link and just promoting it. Basically the part of you have to do is marketing it, and whoever buys it, you get commission. And that's it. It's easy. It's easy concept that I don't want you to miss, because this is like truly top three passive income that any beginner should start. I'm not saying this is gonna make you rich overnight, because it will not, but it's something that you can create, and just like you put money in your piggy bank, right? So yeah, this is top three ways that I recommend that you should start it now, start it today. If you find one of the three ways useful and easy enough for you, please make sure to like and subscribe and comment which one is your favorite. First one is basically digital journal that you can sell on Amazon with the KDP Amazon. And the second one is print on demand that you can design free on Canva and basically publish on Amazon Merch or on Redbubble and Teespring and Printful, a lot of websites out there. I will also put the list in this description so you know exactly where you can post or publish your design. And the last one is affiliate marketing. I'm gonna list the affiliate marketing places for beginner that you can sign up for. However, if you're gonna make money with affiliate marketing, you want to focus on the high ticket affiliate marketing, which is what make me the most money in a short period of time. I also put the link in the comment as well. So if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me any question, put a comment in. I love to get you guys feedback. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to smash that notification bell so you get notified. You'll be the first to get notified for all my new future video that I'm gonna put out, way to make money online, mindset and stuff like that that can help you to next level, will help you to gain that freedom you deserve. And if you to know more about affiliate marketing, click this video here, give you another deep dive to affiliate marketing.